On March 4, 2025, we are witnessing a revolution in production technology with the inauguration of the new scale research building at Leibniz University Hannover. Backed by a 50 million investment, this facility is set to redefine manufacturing research. At the heart of scale is a groundbreaking laser robot cell for 3D metal deposition delivered by Nagel Technologies. This system enables large-scale additive manufacturing, perfect for shipbuilding and aerospace. Inside a custom-cast concrete enclosure, 2 robots work in harmony, one for monitoring, the other for high-precision welding. With the ability to support parts up to 4 meters long, this platform is a game-changer. Nagel Technologies won this project through a Europe-wide tender, providing a complete solution: laser tech, robotics, and safety systems. Their partnership with Scale is a strategic leap forward for both research and industry applications. This robot cell isn't just a lab tool. It's a showcase for innovation, where prototypes are built on-site. Applications for next-gen aerospace components are already in progress, pushing the boundaries of industrial-scale additive manufacturing.